So my PhD is looking at ideas and practices of cultural forgetting in 15th century Florence. So how and why we choose to forget the past. So I think interdisciplinarity is really important to my work because with the nature of what I'm looking at, uh, there's oftentimes not a lot of material. It does leave a trace, but it doesn't leave as much evidence perhaps as what we might think, or what there might be in other contexts. So you have to look at a lot of different types of evidence. So both Monash and Warwick have diverse teams of scholars and students bringing different approaches, which is very helpful in looking at different types of visual material, textual evidence to help unpack the problems that I'm looking at. So my PhD between Monash and Warwick, it's a unique challenge and opportunity, that sort of environment. I've got joint supervision, obviously, but also joint enrollment. It's a unique collaboration between the two universities. So I have to spend at least 1 year at both Monash and at Warwick, at each respective campus. And then the third, fourth, however long it ends up taking. The remainder of that time is up to me how I spend that, whether it's at one or the other. Warwick's and Monash's international connections are really, really strong. One of the connections between them, apart from the alliance, the Monash-Warwick Alliance, is also the Prato Consortium for Medieval and Renaissance Studies. So that's a group of institutions sort of led by Monash and Warwick that goes across Europe, North America, Australia. That meets every year in Prato in Italy, and that's also made up of other universities from around the world, from across North America, Europe, and it's a fantastic opportunity for postgraduates in particular to sort of be with scholars from around the world, to present their work in a workshop every year, and to get feedback and bounce their ideas off of senior scholars and peers.